Looking at Ross at the makeup organizers and just travel bags. These are pretty cool.
That's the place my brother took me to a long time ago when I first got out there.
Oh, really? There's this. That's $15 and it's originally $58. It's Tommy Hilfiger.
I'm gonna look at men's stuff, I guess.
Okay.
You're buying stuff?
Yeah.
Like, what do you need more stuff like this for, babe?
For travel.
What?
I'm being judged. So, there is a bunch of organizers here. Like, everything's super cheap. Like, there's this thing I'm thinking about getting. And it's only $6.99. Then there's this thing. And it's $8.99. And you know, there's things for lipsticks. But I don't know. Which one should I get? And there's this thing I wouldn't get, but I mean, if you're looking for one and you go to Ross, it is $22.99. Bunch of cute stuff. Hair dryers. This for palettes. This is just $3. Then this thing, I think. And that'll be cool for traveling. And then they got stuff like little brushes for $4.99. They don't seem too bad. Yeah, it's super cheap. Okay, and I'm just showing some of the palettes and stuff that I've seen. I think they're off-brand, but still they've got some stuff that you could try out, and it's more affordable. They got eyeshadow palettes, they got nail stuff and mascara and contour kits and brushes, a lot of makeup brushes that look pretty good, and just a lot of stuff I wanted to show. Rosy nudes. $4.99. That is not bad. I don't know how the palette does though. It could be just dusty, you know. So, and I looked at the wallets and I was in love with some of the wallets. I'm sorry about the background noise, but you know, I'm a mom and a wife, so and I've been busy. So some of these wallets I love, but like the one that my phone fit in that I really wanted was like $20, and I could get a whole purse for that. And I wanted to use the wallet as a purse and put like some type of chain on it, but I'm just so like uneasy about the purchase, so I just didn't do it. And like, because if I don't know for sure about a purchase, I just don't do it. Unless I'm like, okay, well, I can return it if I don't like it. But I don't know. I'll show you when it comes up which wallet I'm talking about. Let's see. That Juicy wallet is kind of cool, but then it's like cardboard. Not worth it. Let's see. I think it's a Guess wallet. Nautica. It's not that one, but it's a pretty sturdy, cool one. That one, that's the one. My camera fit. Oh my gosh, my phone fits perfectly in there, and like it's got space for credit cards, money, anything else I need to bring. But it's $17.99, so yeah, I didn't get it. Nailed it. Nailed it.
He's about 7 or 8 feet short of the line that you park up to.
Nailed it.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I got this. This is just deep. I don't think there's any pockets in it. But I got it. It's like a $58 Tommy Hilfiger bag, and I got it for $16.99. They also had other organizers. Sorry for the background. That's James Bond. And this is a Tommy Hilfiger bag. It's just a travel one. And I'm going to put my makeup palettes in there since it's like perfect size. And just other things, maybe brushes or whatever. And this was, what was it? $17.99. So I still like it. I ended up going back for this. It is $4.99, and I'm gonna stack my palettes in there, whatever else, but it'll work pretty cool. I also got Hannah some toys and stuff, but that's the end of my video. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this. I know it's not professional, but thank you for watching and staying subscribed, even though I've been like missing. All right, bye.